Guys, it's time to dinner. Bago magtakip silim, kailangan nakakain na ako. I have my own law. Kasi guys, mamaya, pag tumunog ang aking tiyan, ibig sabihin maghahagilap na ako ng kakainin. Kaya bago ako maubusan ng binabak, I will eat first and then go back there and then buy a new one, di ba? Ito yung niluto ko kanina sa saging, di ba? Ayan yung kulay niya. It's look a little bit green because of banana leaves. And bago niyo makalimutan, guys, gusto kong ipakita sa inyo ang binabak. This is a local local antiques food. Yeah, beans. Yeah. And you know what is it inside? It's a shrimp. Smashed shrimp inside with the ingredients. Special ingredients that I don't want to share to anyone because it's our secret. Secret menu of Antique. Ayun, yun guys, kain tayo ng binabak guys. Sa totoo lang, ang sarap kumain ng binabak. I love Pilipina Ayun, ya else ka Pilipina Ayun guys, ito ay binabak. Baka magtaka kayo, it's look like suman. But this is not suman. This is mushroom with coconut and special ingredients. Guys, sa totoo lang, kapag may binabak, there's a lot of people here in Antique feel mouth watering. Yeah, because of this. They want to eat. And this is good. It's look like that, guys. It's look like that. Yeah. I'm crabbing. Good. Ang sarap. Kain na kayo, guys. Sa totoo lang, iniinggit ko lang kayo ng pagkain. Hindi social na pagkain, pero pang mahirap na pagkain, pero it tastes really good. At kahit saan kayo makarating, wherever you're going, outside of Philippines, you will come back to Antique and ask if there's someone make binabak. Ang sarap, guys. Guys, alam ko na napapanood nyo yung kantang It Hurts in the First Time. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, yung notebook with songs book. It's disappear. But I'm lucky that, the lyrics is still there in my Facebook account. You can, if you want to know how to sing my song, just copy and paste or save. Yeah. Kasi guys, proud na proud ako na nagawa ko yung kantang yun in 30 minutes, yes. Tapos I borrowed one of the Filipino music instrument sa kanta niya. Kaya yun, success naman si Rogelia to borrow without asking a permissions of the owner. But I'm sorry guys, I don't have plan to ruin your songs, no. Nag-borrow lang ako kasi I don't know how to play guitar. Yeah, that's it. By the way guys, thank you. Kumain na lang kayo kung gusto niyo kumain. Ang pagkain ko today is very simple pero alam kong masarap. Yun, bye and cheers to all successful vloggers here in Philippines. Good luck sa inyong lahat guys. I'm happy for your own achievement. Bye!